This is how the gauge is. Então não scatter.
Hi guys, good morning. Welcome. Good morning. Welcome to another day. So apparently our fence is very low. Yeah, it's very low, and at night you'll be hearing some funny noise behind. I don't know if you guys are seeing the behind. So apparently we're actually the first people that moved to this area. Yeah, we are the first people that moved to the area. So we follow the specification of the estate. But we noticed that other people that came, their fence were very high. So today we decided to carry our fence higher. So that is what we are doing. So we brought down everything. It's actually on other expenses, if you know, yeah. So I'll take you guys through it so that you see, yeah. So this is the former fence we removed. That is the solar light right there. That is the water tank, because we actually changed our water tank. Yeah, that is the sand and the cement we are using. No, this is the block we brought, and our dogs are in there. Diamond Cozy, see them, they'll start shouting that. Let me see if you guys can see them. They are inside their cage. So we have to cage them because there are visitors around. Yeah. So this is the walk. This is the fence. We've broken the fence already. I actually took the before. We've broken the fence already. I will show you guys when we are finally through with it. But it's going to get higher. Like you look at our neighbor's own. Our neighbor's own is very high. So we are going to make it to get as high as our neighbor's own. So that is what we're planning to do for safety purpose. You know, right now, government is not providing safety for you. Nigerian government, precisely. So you have to provide safety for yourself. I actually have a mini farm right here. So this place was not fertile last year. The only thing I think was fertile here last year was bitter leaf, and the bitter leaf is still growing. See the bitter leaf there? I think it's only bitter leaf. Yeah, and plantain came out. Plantain came out too. So we decided to farm cassava this year. Let me show you guys. Let's see if it will work. But if it doesn't work, no problem. It's just a land inside our compound. Beside it, we are still thinking of what to do about it. See the burglary proof. The burglary is all down, and hopefully they will finish this today. Yeah, I'm going to take you guys through it. So it's still work in progress. They are still working to make sure the fence is high. We want it to be as high as this. You can see that this one is very high. Look at where I'm standing. You can see the length of it. It's almost like one-story building. So this is how high. You can see this one, it has increased. So this is how high we want it to be.
The next day.
So guys, you can see this is the next day, and the work is truly progressing. Yeah, the work is progressing. We are making, what is it called? We are making progress. Yeah. Bucky. You can see the work is going on. We are making progress. Well done, sir. This is the front. Yeah, still a work in progress. Yeah, we're still working on it. Want to actually take the fence up so that it will be as high as this particular one. Yeah. Catch me if you can. We are working. Give me your building. Let me build for you people. Don't say I did not tell you. Say I don't build house. I'm not into real estate. We are building houses right now. Yeah, guys. We are making progress. You can see. We are making serious progress. Daddy. Yeah. We are making serious progress. Doggy, be careful. We are missing the cement. We are missing the sand. Get out. Let's see that whole whip at him. Look at this side. Look at how it's fine. After all said and done, we'll come and do after.
Three days later.
So guys, you can see our fence is up. Remember when they started this fence, it was down. Yeah, it was somewhere around here, but look at it now, it's high there. Doggy, can you just leave? Look at my dog. So, and there is security right now. You know, boys in Abuja are not smiling. Tell this dog to leave my leg. So you can see that it's high right now. And that was what I was trying to show you guys. So guys, this is another vlog showing you, doggy, can you leave? Showing you guys how we raised our fence up. Yeah, it was very low before and people could actually come through the back. There was a video I didn't show you guys. Sometime last year they came and stole our TV. They passed through the fence, and because of that we have to like increase the fence. We have to increase the fence. So for security purpose, there are certain things we know you will not normally do, but you have to do it for security purpose. If you know, you know. This light is giving. This light is giving. Okay, let's check the gate. Okay, they are not even done with the gates. Look at the gates. One part of the gates down. Yeah, you can see. You can see the fence is high here. They have not painted it yet, but look at it, it's high here. So guys, we come to the end of another vlog. We've come to the end of another vlog. But we speed to the A to the T to the T. Part Ayaba, we know how to do it, and that's what's up. See you guys in my next video. Peace out, be peaceful, and bye for now. Voila.